Hi guys, Marley here and welcome back to Gardening in Kentucky YouTube channel. 3 weeks ago, I planted some garlic in this raised bed behind me. I took a video, but I never get a chance to edit it. And so today is a warm day and I was like, I need to look at that video again because I want to know where I planted those garlic because I need to plant more garlic. And then I came here to check on my chickens and I found a very pleasant surprise. Let's take a look at this, guys. This raised bed is mulched with shredded paper. Look at this. Look at that, guys. These are the garlic that I planted 3 weeks ago. So I planted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And they are now growing. Look at that. That's so amazing, right? And so I need to plant some more in this raised bed. Hopefully I will get some decent garlic from this bed. Last year, I planted garlic around mid-February, I think, or early March. And I actually got some decent harvest, although not that big, but it worked. I was able to get some garlic that I used for 3 to 4 months. And then these are the extra garlic that I have harvested from my raised bed garden last year, planted during fall of 2021, harvested in June of 2022. So now, the date today is February 13th, 2023, and I will be planting the rest of my garlic in this raised bed. So guys, if you have not planted your garlic yet, it is not too late to plant those garlic in the ground. Or if you want to plant your garlic in big pots, that will also work. Well, I'm gonna go back to work now because it's getting dark and I still need to finish planting my garlic. I'm gonna see you again in my next video. Have a great day!